Hi, I'm Zachary. I'm here from FTC Robocracy, and I'm showing you how we produced our face shields for the COVID pandemic. It's a two-part process. We 3D print these colored parts, but then we also need to produce these clear face shields from a plastic sheet. This is an example of our starting plastic sheet. It's a 2 by 4 feet piece of plastic. And the first step that we do is we cut it first into long strips, and then we cut it down into sheets like this. But then the final step is that we need to use our CNC machine right over here to actually create the form that we want. So the first most important part to see is the jig that we're using. As you can see, this is our work holding jig, and there's a couple things I want to point out. The first is these pins that we use for alignment. We pre-drilled these onto the CNC bed, and they allow you to put your plastic in very precisely. So here's 3 sheets of plastic. With our CNC, we find we're able to do a couple at once. And as you can see, when you slide it in, you can push it in towards the corner. Well, I'm not doing this very well. You can push it in towards the corner, and it auto-aligns. The next thing to see is that we have 4 holes to drill in the plastic sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as 3 on the bottom, and then we need to round the corners. So as you can see, we have those same holes drilled in our work holding setup, with extra space to allow for the chips to evacuate. And then finally, we have 3 clamps holding it down securely. This ensures that we have a good fit when we're CNCing the part. We just cut our face shields, and there's just a couple things I'd like to bring your attention to. Firstly, you'll notice that we cut on the outside, these 3 sides, so that we can still be precise, whereas the 4th side, we've made it to be already with the edge that we cut with a table saw, and this allows us to save some time when cutting, and it also allows us to have space for the work holding. To remove the parts, it's as simple as putting them in. You remove your scrap, vacuum up some of the scraps if you want, and then just undo all of your clamps a little bit, and then you can pull out your completed parts. And so here you can see that we've done 3 at a time, and then with a little bit of cleaning, you can just put them straight into your shield. Thank you for watching, and we hope that was helpful for you.